Hello, I'm Dr. Milescu. Just a quick introduction to myself. Welcoming you to class. This is Gwen. So on occasion, to keep things entertaining, I may have the bird on my shoulder during virtual classroom. So I just want you to go over this week, go over your syllabus. Note that I have the PDF files of the books. If you are in anatomy and physiology, lab and lecture, you are given all of that information. So just review everything and notice that my weekly modules are exactly dated. Go through each topic item by item, and you'll be able to take a quiz at the end of the week. If you stay organized and you attend the live classroom sessions in virtual classroom, that'll help a lot. And if you are part of the hybrid, make sure that you come on ground for the hour that we meet, because we will be going over things, but not lecturing, since we can't get that much done in 1 hour. So pretty much the meat of the course, if you are enrolled in a hybrid, will definitely still be virtually in the virtual classroom platform that is completely integrated with Falcon Online. And I will be providing you a link each week. If you look at the content section, each week has a link to all these sessions, and a total of 14 sessions. And please remember that the lab and the lecture are a grade together. So that's pretty much it. I don't want to go over extreme details, since we will go over that in our virtual classroom session 1. All right. Take care, everyone. Gwen says bye. Well, sometimes she says bye, but now she's quiet, of course. All right. Take care, everyone. See you soon.